Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I show you how easy it is to make homemade strawberry lemonade. And with this easy recipe you can basically do all kinds of lemonade. So let's do this. Of course you could use fresh fruit, but I'm using frozen fruit today. To make our strawberry lemonade we have to make the simple syrup first. We need about 1.5 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar over medium heat. And I stir until our simple syrup becomes clear. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Our simple syrup is clear and we can turn off the heat. Now I add my strawberries to the food processor, but you could also use a blender. And I'm adding just a little bit of the simple syrup. And mix it all together. Now you could use your strawberries just like this with the seeds in. If you don't like it, use a strainer. So we don't mind the seeds, so I put the first batch in and starting with the next one. So this one is also done and I put it in. A squeeze of lemon juice, a strawberry or two for garnish, and now I fill it up with water. Now I give it a quick stir and our lemonade is done. And the only thing left to do is to try it. This is really good, y'all. You should definitely give it a try. Well, thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye!